stage in our school right now, and I hope the leaders I vote, candidates that I vote.
Now school election is conducting for head boy, head girl and sports cultural.
Education, how people trust others, to make people to lead and do promises. I love election because it's so fun to do. And this election was like a real election, like they'll all.
In the photo, I was thinking who I have to vote.
Election was very nice with the new technologies.
Because it can give us a chance to feel how it is to be elected.
So nice. I like it, this election. I never went to an election. I'm so proud to be in election. I have never tried this.
And we vote by the promises, and we also promise we will vote them. Thanks.
First time I'm voting for the higher classes.
So says about how people can, how students can also take about our school, and we can study more about this.
Excited to see who will be the leader for our school.